Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Rubik's Cube pattern, 2 patterns or maybe 3. So if you haven't watched my other video to do the up, left, down, right pattern, go check it out and give that video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. So today I'm just gonna do patterns. One of them is up, left, down, right, but I don't know the rest. So let's get started. One is easy. You just have to do 1, 2, 1, 2. Take the bottom twice, twist it twice, and twist the bottom twice too. Then find another place. I'm doing yellow and white. I don't know which color you guys are doing. Just take it from the yellow, white, and another white. So you do that twice too again. 1, 2. Then down to twice too again. 1, 2. And then find another place. Just do the same thing. Same thing. 1, 2. 1, 2. So you can see all the sides are like this. Say, oh my goodness, how do I fix it back? Just have to do the same pattern. Up, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and everything. See? 1, 2, 1, 2. You can see over here, yellow, white, yellow. Sorry about that. Yellow, white, yellow. And when you see the yellow, white, yellow, just leave it alone. Come to the next one. Just do the same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, and you guys know how to fix it back. Just take it. You have to find green side. Here's the green side. Here. Here's the green side. Now you just have to twist it 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. And yellow, red, white, orange, green, blue. I don't know. So let's do the other pattern. The other pattern is you take the middle, just twist it up. Wait. To make it straight. 1, 2. Twice. And they get the corner over here. Just do it. 1, 2. And you get this pattern. There's I don't know how to explain this to you guys. There's 3 of these over here and 1, 2 over here. 3 of these too. So there is now over here is blue, green, blue. And over here, the next side is red, 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 red. Doesn't matter. So the first side that I made, just do the same pattern. See? Check it. Take a look at this. 1. No, wait. 1, 2. And when you do it, you get red, orange, red. I'm doing it like that. So, and then get one side is done. So you get the other side, just do the same pattern. 1, 2. Then the same thing. Wait, I did something wrong. Yeah, I did it right. Done. Just do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Done. Let's do up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment. What should I, guys, I don't know what video should I make. Can you just help me out? Because I know some of the patterns. I have to learn more patterns of this. So just, if I learn more patterns and then I do it for you guys, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah. And one more thing. If you like, shout out to Jelly, shout out to Capo Cup, shout out to Slow Woman, shout out to Face Rock, shout out to Cat with Gaming or Gaming with Cat, I don't know. And Typical Gamer, which one if you like, just go. Guys, please go check their channel out. That you can see Jelly up there. I like his videos. Then I like Capo Cubs, Slogo Man. I subscribe to all of their channel. Please, you can go subscribe to their channel too. And please comment down below. Tell me what video should I make. I don't know. Each week I don't know what video, because I said I can make videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I missed a couple of days, but that's, you know why, because I didn't know what video should I make. But if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to say what video should I make next. And guys, thank you so much for 25 or 24 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are the best. Just come and subscribe. Pause this video just now. And press the subscribe button and the like button. That's not hard. I know you guys. I know you guys can make it. Just please subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't watched my PS4 video, go check it out too. Like it. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. How hard is that? I don't know what video should I make, guys. Once when my friend comes to my house, Cat with Gaming or Gaming with Cat, one of that comes, just please guys, please, we're gonna make a video together. And if I said in my PS4 video, if I get 15 likes, I know we can make it, guys, or 10. I make GTA 5, Doom, Uncharted 4, everything, guys. First, I finished GTA 5 online, GTA 5 story mode, I think so, I don't know. Then goes to mods, everything. The GTA 5 new mod, everything. Just try out. Just please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. And I know that you guys we can make it to 1 million subscribers, guys. We have to make 1 million subscribers. If we don't, I know. And one more thing, subscribe to Roman Atwood. All of them that I said, Face Rock. If you haven't seen his Face Rock in the tunnel, the scary tunnel, go check it out. I know you like it. And just go check all of their channel, because Typical Gamer plays GTA 5 online. He does everything. He does live videos. Maybe I do live streaming when I get 1 million or 200 or 100, I don't know. Please guys, like this video and go like my PS4. Go like all of my videos. I know you guys can make it. Subscribe, like, and I know we can make it to 1 million. Just believe on ourselves, guys. Just believe on yourself. Please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna make to 1 million. So don't forget to subscribe and tell me what videos should I make. Guys, I don't know what videos should I make. So see you in the next video, and don't forget to what? Subscribe. Shout outs. Go check them out. Go like this video. Guys, please, if we make it to 1 million, I will be surprised. I'm sure we're gonna do something. Tell me, go and send me a message. If we make to 30 subscribers, what should I do for you guys? Do the ice bucket challenge. Tell me what should I do. Plenty of stuff I can do for you guys. Just like this video, subscribe, go check the shout out. And I wanna, please guys, go check my PS4 video out, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It's 12 minutes and 31 seconds. Bye bye guys. You know what to do? Pause this video, subscribe, like, check the people's channel out, and comment down below. Tell me, do you like Jelly's video? Jelly's channel, Cripple Cops, or Slow Romance? Choose one of them, or all of them. I don't know. Okay, guys, I know that I said plenty of stuff, and McJuggernuggets. Guys, go subscribe to his channel. His videos are fun. Subscribe, like this video, subscribe, shout out, and yeah, go check my PS4 video out. That's about 4 things. If I miss something, just say it down below. See you guys next time.